What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got another one for you. Got a 2000 Chevy Impala. Came in a gold color. Female wanted to change it up. Yes, it's another female's vehicle. This is the color she picked out. And as you can see, we added the gold and silver flakes to it. And like everything else that leaves John's Restoration was wet sand and buffed out. She already had the rims on it when she came in. Her name is Royal, so she wanted Royal with the female crown above it on the quarter panel. So I airbrushed that in and did a little fade on it, just to switch it up a little bit. It was her idea to put the name there with the crown over the R on each side. Y'all see the wet look, y'all see the gloss. Come on, fellas, we gotta step it up. It's another female's vehicle. Females coming strong this summer. 2012 gonna be a nice summer. We got an 88 box Chevy that came in today also. This one's getting ready to get sand down and get a color change on it. Y'all hear it chopping with them 28s with airbags on it. Customer dropped this off. Want to get it freshened up and a little bit redone for the summer. Change it up a little bit. Car is very, very nice. Y'all will see it when it come out. I gotta put this 442 in the video. This belonging to my man Boogie. This is a real 72 442. Bodywork's being done on it. This dude is being very, very patient with me. Definitely appreciate it. But when it come out, it's gonna have candy paint. Sitting on 24s, custom interior. It's gonna be real nasty and a banging sound system. So it's gonna be real nasty when it come out, definitely. So y'all stay tuned for this. You know, he known as Ciroc Boogie on Facebook. This his is coming to you soon. It's gonna be nice. This one right here was the old SpongeBob Honda belonging to Doughboy. Got the hood off now, we airbrushing the hood first. We're gonna do the rest of the vehicle. We got another one, a Lincoln Lowrider belonging to Johnny Outlaw. We're just gonna give you a very sneak preview. Y'all see it, another one coming from Street Dreams. But like I said, it's your man Big John Restoration. Y'all know how we do. Located in Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call for bodywork, paint, interior, stereos, Whether it's factory or custom, we can get you in and out. It may take a little time for special projects, but we'll try to get you in and out.